seen that a general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Also we have seen how to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Today we are going to see how this can be solved by completing square method. So for example, here let us take example 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we know that if we are having, suppose, ax plus b square, so it is first term square. So ax square plus 2 times first term into second term plus second term square. So here we are having a square x square plus something something. What I mean to say that in the complete square method, the first term, the coefficient of x square must be a complete square. Here it is not a complete square. Here it is 2. So first of all we will have to multiply by 2. So multiplying by 2 we get 2 into 2 is 4x square plus 3 to the 6x plus 7 to the 14 is equal to 0. In general we can say that if we are having a coefficient a, we are multiplying by a, this becomes a square x square plus ab x plus ac is equal to 0. Now we are completing the square. So for completing the square, what is required here or what is required here, we have to find out. So here we will find that this is the square of 2x. So if you write this as square of 2x, so this is 2 times the first term and second term. This is 2 times, first term is 2x and 2 to the 4. Here it is 6. So 4 is to be divided and 6 to be multiplied. So this is the second term. And what is the last term required? This is first term square, 2 times first term, and this is the second term. 6 upon 4 is 3 upon 2. So this is 3 upon 2 square. This will be required for completing the square. So here you will write that 4x square plus 6x plus 3 by 2 bracket square, so as to complete the square, and this is extra written, so we have to subtract this. So minus 3 upon 2 square plus 14 is equal to 0. In a general case, we can find out that if you want the last term, so you can say that middle term square. So AB x and ABX, middle term square upon 4 times the first term, that is a square x square. So here this x and x is x square will cut, and you are having this a will also cut with a square, and you are having b square upon 4. If you add b square upon 4, you will get a complete square. Therefore, a square x square plus abx plus b square upon 4. This is added, so we have to subtract that. B square upon 4 plus ac is equal to 0. Now here you will find that this is 2x. Square root of 4x square is 2x. Sign middle is plus, so this is also plus. And the next term is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 bracket square. This is minus 9 upon 4 plus 14 upon 1 is equal to 0. Here in general what you will get here, this is ax. This is the square of ax first term, and this is the square of b by 2, and sign is plus. So ax plus b by 2 bracket square is equal to. Now here this is the complete square we are written, and for this minus b square, this is can be written the ac upon 1. So minus b square plus 4ac upon 4. Minus b square plus 4ac upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, ax plus b by 2 bracket square minus, if we take minus here, this will become b square minus 4ac upon 4 is equal to 0. This minus sign is applicable to both. So this becomes minus b square and minus minus plus 4ac. So therefore this will become ax plus b by 2 bracket square is equal to this minus. If we transpose that side, it will become plus. This is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 2. If we take square roots of both sides, we will get ax now if we take square roots of both sides, ax plus b by 2 is equal to, now for this we don't know whether it is a complete square or not, so we shall write under radical sign, and since every number has two square roots, so we can write plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon square root of 4 is 2, and therefore this will become ax is equal to, this plus b by 2 goes that side, become minus, so minus b by 2 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. Therefore, what we have got here, ax is equal to, this is 2 is a common LCM, so minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. We want the value of x, and therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a.